Hey everybody, Charles Specht here from Permission Network with a 1-minute sales tip to help you sell more insurance. Your prospects want three things. Count them up, they want three. They want to save premium, they want to save time, they want to gain peace of mind. So the first thing, save premium. Who doesn't want to save money, right? Every business owner, every consumer wants a lower rate. You actually have to have a good premium. But the premium isn't king. They do want to save premium, but it's not king. The second thing they want is to actually save time. It takes many hours for them to go through the quoting process, and that's if they only have one renewal date during the year. But they have to meet with you, the incumbent agent, number of other agents, loss control people. It takes a lot of time to actually go through the quoting process, so save them some time. But really the main thing is that they want to have peace of mind in the whole process. They want to know that they chose you, that you're the better agent, that you provide the best services, you've got the best quote, the best plan. So save them money, save them time, gain peace of mind. You'll win a lot of clients.